Hello everyone. So I'm back. Char. Oh, balikta. So I am introducing now this Excel file na nakaprogram na i-program na ni Nakodan. So I am giving this to you if you follow and listen to our discussion today until the end. So here we have I will run through with this. So let me introduce first. We have here the legend. So this is just for Simplicia YouTube channel, especially subscribers or viewers. So here the legend. So if this cell is highlighted in this color, so it means it's an answer or the quantity needed. So here this is. So it's final here. It's the answer you wanted. So here for the blue color, so this is where you input the data needed. So okay, and this for the green, we no need to input anything. Okay, so just input on the blue one. Okay, for this example, we have for earthworks or footing. So this file is for footing. So everything we need for footing, the earthworks. Number two, the RSB. Number three, the concretes. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't. Mostly we do not use formworks on footings. So here we have in the other side, in the right side, we have the typical details of our footing example. So we use this to input the data we need here. So for length, for because this is footing, I am talking about just the length of the footing. I'm sorry, this is not the right one. Okay, this is it. So the length, this is the length times width. So point 0.8 times point 0.8. This should be in meters. So point 0.8. Okay? Oh, di ba? Nakaprogram na siya nga na meters, in meters gina siya. So point 0.8 then sa other side. So the depth, let's get back to where that one is. So the depth is the thickness of the footing. It's this 0.25 here, 0.25 meter. So number of footing. So number of footing, we just look it up on foundation plan. So we have here the foundation plan. Okay. So as you can see, there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, 22. The same na sila if 1, C1. Okay, so we just input here 22. And as you can see, it's starting to calculate. So height. So what we need here is height. NGL to bottom of gravel bedding. So here from finished grade line or natural grade line to bottom of gravel bedding. So hanggang dito. So we have here given here na 1.05. So we just have to input that 1.05. And the thickness of gravel bedding, here it is, dito lang, at the bottom of the footing structure, we have 100 mm or 0.10 meter. Diba? 100 mm divide 1,000, oh, 0.10 meter. So here we also need her here for the embankment or the backfill. So we have to input the column just below the ground na ano. So for the column, we need that. I'm sorry. So column. So for our column, the dimension is 0.20. So square yan. So 0.20 meter, 0.20. Okay. So automatically, this green, because no need to input anything in this green cell. So wala na tayong gagawin dyan. So ito lang blue and everything about earthworks, you need na here na. So, ito na yung quantities na kailangan for the earthworks quantities. And you can't edit anything on this cell. You can see. Okay. It's protected. So note, applicable only for footings with height of excavation less than or equal to meters. Or note, edit only on highlighted blue cells. So hindi ka rin naman makakaedit sa ibang iba. Only in the blue cell. So this is the earthworks quantities we need. So we're done with that. And here we proceed. Let's proceed to number 2, the reinforcing steel bars or RSB for the footing. So bar size. So let's see here. In the footing plan, we have, it indicates here 6-12 mm diameter. This is a sign of a diameter bed bars. So, ibig sabihin, this means 6 pieces of 12 mm bars in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, both ways. So, 6 then in the opposite direction. So, the bar size is 12. Hindi ko na-delete. Number of bars along width, so 6. And number of bars along length is 6. So, the number of footing is just the same with the one we input a while ago. That's 22. We can input now here already linked. So, that's it. So we're done with the number of RSB for our footing. And quantities you need is just here. The total number of 12 mm diameter bar and the tie wire number 16 in kilograms. Okay. So let's proceed to number 3, the concrete for footing. So wala na tayong gagawin dito. We don't need to do anything here because everything was provided in the earthworks while we do the earthworks. So calculate nyo lang na. So it is automatically calculated. It is just the product of these 4. So I'll show you. If we use calculator, that is 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.25 times 22, 3.52. Diba? 3.52 cubic meters. So, wala ko nang gagawin dyan. Dito lang sa may blue. And we're done already for the footing. We have here already the quantities for earthworks and the concrete and RSB and reinforcing bars. And we're done. So for everyone who wanted this file, I will put the link below, but I will be requiring a code to check if you are listening or viewing this video. So for the code, while you request the access, I will email back to you the question and I will just ask the code and just answer simply siya. That's it for today. Thank you so much and see you around, Char. And until the next video, bye!